In today's video, I'll teach you how to remove saved login on Instagram. So first of all, launch open Instagram application. You can see over here Instagram has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So if you want to remove the saved login, tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be led to your profile interface. Tap on the three lines that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to access the settings and activity over here. Tap on this option account center that you can see at first. Now you'll be able to access the account center over here. Tap on this option password and security that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to see various options over here. Under the section for login and recovery, at last you'll be able to find this option for saved login. So what you have to do is tap on it. Now once you do that, if you have saved the login info, this button will be toggled on. What you have to do is toggle off this button right next to the option for saved login. Now tap on this option remove that you can see on the screen. Now the login information of this account will be removed. That means next time you log into your account, you will need to enter your credentials. So like this, you'll be able to remove the saved login. So that is how you remove saved login on Instagram. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.